You're laughing like a douche again. Oh! Hold the hair a minute. Look, come here, please. Can I have the hairdryer a minute? Please, another hairdryer. Ow! Stab me with the hairdryer. You done yet?
Yeah.
Do you want to watch the video? Come here.
Okay, one sec. The finish line is just around the bend.
That was tuneful. The camera's lagging.
Huh?
The camera's lagging.
What do you mean?
It takes a while for the motion to catch up with the sound. I sound like I know something about tech. I'm impressed. Sorry, usually I'm like the most useless person in the world. I know something about tech, darling. Are you proud? Put the hairdryer down. Okay.
One sec. My fringe is not cooperating.
It's fine, you douche.
Oh, have you seen Lizzie McCormick's Facebook profile? She's so pretty.
Really?
She looks so pretty on the photo. Right, I need to slot my leg in.
That's not what he said.
That's what she said. Right,